UPI has crossed $1 trillion worth of transactions in the financial year between 2021 and 2022.
Hi, so I'm planning to visit Mathura in a couple of days and I am right now booking my tickets via IRCTC's app. So let's do this. Now I'm going to make a transaction. Cool, so my ticket is booked now and I'm all set for my journey.
So good morning. It is 5:15 a.m. right now. Today I am going on a digital adventure. The aim is to spend a full day traveling from Delhi to Mathura and undertake dozens of digital transactions. Today I am carrying only this 100 rupee note with me to Mathura.
Okay, so my Uber rickshaw has arrived, which again I'm going to make the payment via UPI. So let's go. Nearly 90 minutes later, we have arrived in Mathura, the land of Lord Krishna. भैया कचौड़ी लगाना एक. So this is our first breakfast of the day at Holy Gate. This is a garma garam kachori. So I'm making a UPI payment. And this is done. So we just had a delicious lassi and now I'm going to make another UPI payment. And it's done. So we are on the way to the Dwarikadhish Mandir, after which we will visit the Krishna Janmabhoomi. So I've got my Radhe Radhe stole in Mathura and I'm going to wear it right now. And the payment for this I will do via UPI. Okay. Radhe Radhe.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. कितना हुआ? And it's done. And it's done. So far the day has been good. We have arrived at the Krishna Janmabhoomi. We are walking towards it and we will just go perform darshan. Cameras are not allowed inside. So we will go get the blessings and come back. So I really had to buy this and I'm going to pay online. Let's try. And this is done. Till now, I haven't broken the 100 rupee note that I got with me. So my lunch is done and here we are paying the bill now. and it's done. One more payment via UPI. So we are done at Mathura. We have finished visiting the temples, the Krishna Janmabhoomi and the Dwarkadhish Mandir, and now we are headed towards Vrindavan. We have been able to make all the transactions via UPI until now through various platforms like Paytm, Google Pay. Let's see if the same can be done in Vrindavan as well.
भैया आप गूगल पे फोन पे लेते हो? ठीक, नंबर बताना। कल्लू सैनी, 50 रुपए। चला गया।
And I've paid for the flower offerings that I bought for the mandir.
कितना हुआ? This payment is also successful. ये देखिए पेमेंट आ गई। आपके महीने में कौन से ज्यादा ग्राहक रहते हैं? यूपीआई वाले, पेटीएम, गूगल पे वाले या कैश देने वाले?
पेटीएम ज़्यादा देते हैं।
आमदनी तो आप ही की हो रही है, चाहे ऐसे आए चाहे वैसे आए, पर क्या फर्क लगता है दोनों चीजों में?
पेटीएम से डायरेक्ट खाते में पहुंच जाते हैं तो वो हमारे सुरक्षित रहते हैं।
आपके आसपास के लोग यूज करते हैं?
बहुत सारे करते हैं। आजकल करना चाहिए सभी को, क्योंकि लोगों के पास कैश बहुत कम है। पेटीएम और गूगल पे ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं।
The challenge has been successful so far. I haven't spent any cash. All my transactions have been online. Let's see if we can go beyond this cashless.
This reminds me of an incident from 2 days ago, which I think I shouldn't be sharing with you, but
चालान आप नहीं का मतलब हम अगली बार नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या?
ऑनलाइन पे करोगे ना आप, आपके पास लिंक आएगा, उस पर क्लिक करके आप पे कर लेंगे अपनी डेबिट कार्ड पे।
So I was supposed to shoot something in Connaught Place and I ended up paying a fine because I jumped the red light. I wasn't wearing a seat belt. So I got fined. They've just given me a copy. I will be going and paying it online. So that's there, but bad news.
Paid toll tax via FASTag. No cash again.
So it is 8:30 p.m. I am back from Mathura, extremely tired, but here's one good news. The 100-rupee note that I had taken with me in the morning is back as it is. I didn't have to spend it, and all I did was I made all my payments via UPI today, via Google Pay, via Paytm, via Phone Pay. And I did not need to spend any cash. Now this is really good because I was really worried that what would I do? This was a big challenge, and this is how India's UPI story has been. Just like that, so many towns, so many cities, even villages, none of these places have been left from the coverage of UPI. Now UPI is something that has eased lives. It has made India one of the biggest cashless economies in the world, and that is something we should be proud of, and we need to thank only Prime Minister Narendra Modi for this. So that's all from us on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 72nd birthday. If you liked this video, do let us know in the comments below. Until next time, this is Richa Dwivedi signing off. Dhanyavad and Namaste.